Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here is the another Rakhi hamper hoops for you. So let's start creating it. So first I created an online using the outliner, and then I just highlighting it in the front of you. So I did, I just copy and pasted it over there, and then I highlighted it with my pencil. So this is, then I made a round space around it, and then I written the unbreakable bond and happy Raksha Bandhan. Make some hearts for your brother and all. So this is it. So this is the outline that I want to work upon. Now I painted one brush, to give it a good hard texture, and then I started with creating an outline for it. As you can see here, I'm just doing the highlights with the black uh, thread, and I have taken only 3 strands for the thread. So let's suppose one single strand you use, but what I said, I split one thread into 2 parts, that is 3, because one thread has 6 strands in it. So I just use 3 strands, and then I first highlighted the girl and the boy with the black color. So this will give your embroidery design a very good textures, and you know that exactly what you need to do. Then I started giving it a color. So as it I have taken this design from the website. So I just copy and pasted it, the all the colors that the design image has. So yes, I started creating it and taking this 2 color of pink skirt, and then I have given it in a chain like structure, chain, or you can say a cage like structure. So first I draw the vertical line, then I do the horizontal line by leaving one strand at a time. Then I started making a hair. So here first I created an upper part. As you can see, I have left some space in between. And then for the willow, as I am going to give it a pony style, so I just then taken a long threads, and then I weaved it like that. Yep. And then in the middle part I used some different colors and made some roses over there, as you can see. So now I'm just started creating the paint using the paint, the the skin of the brother, and then with the paint I just started creating a top, and this is it. Then the girl is ready. So I used paint for the shoes also this time. So you can also use the thread. So I didn't use it this time, but you definitely can make overall all the body with the thread itself. So that video also I've created, but with different image. Then I switched to the boy. Then for the boy, I have given the shirt color as in blue, dark blue. So all the things that I have used is in vertical lines. As you can see here, I'm just creating a vertical lines over here for the shirts, and it's very simple. Only the normal stitching I just did normal stitching. There were no rocket science in that. So normal stitch only, the and plain. First dark blue color, and then on the hand I use it horizontal lines, so like your hand design for that. Then I started creating the pants of it using the green color, and I have used the 3 shades green color. As you can see, my threads, it has the little shades of dark green, then the light green, and also the yellowish part over there. So this is the look of like pant, and again I have used the only vertical line, no horizontal line over there. So this is a very normal stitch you can do. It's very easy, very easy. Then I started creating the boy hair. So I used cotton to give it a puffiness on the head of an man. So I just use it, and then with the vertical line I just created a normal stitching. So as you can see here, I am just creating the normal stitching over there, and in that way wholly I covered all the cottons and giving it a texture like a head. Then I started creating a letter embroidery. For this I have used the full strand of one thread, and I am just creating a normal back stitching over there, nothing else, because this was a very straight thread. So I just used in normal thread. So as you same things I have used for all the using letter embroidery, as you can see. So here it is. So this is the way I just started creating it. Very simple because it has a very straight embroidery, so there's no very I not given any border in it. And now here I'm creating a dot of 4 dots, sorry. So this is the unbreakable bond. Then I started highlighting the happy Raksha Bandhan. I have written the happy Raksha Bandhan with the pink thread. I used it, and then again the same back stitching pattern you have to use, because these all are a very straight one liner stand. So this is it, and then I have created this border. I have already given the video of it, so I just created it. So this is the final look. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.